Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your store's design with BigCommerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your BigCommerce account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the storefront section. Click on Design to access design settings for your store. Explore the available themes by selecting Theme Marketplace. Browse through the various categories to find a theme that fits your brand. Once you find a theme you like, click on it for more details. Review the theme's features and click Try this theme or purchase if necessary. After applying the theme, head back to the Design section. Select Customize to enter the theme editor.
Here, you can adjust the layout by dragging and dropping elements.
Focus on the home page first, as it's your customer's first impression. Consider adding large banners or sliders to showcase your products. Use high-quality images to grab attention. Next, review the color scheme to ensure it aligns with your brand identity. In the theme editor, look for options to adjust colors and fonts. Make your text easy to read by choosing appropriate font sizes. Ensure your store is mobile-friendly by checking the responsive design options. Preview the changes on different devices within the editor.
Add clear product descriptions and use visually appealing images.
In the Design section, customize your navigation menu for easy access.
Make sure categories are clearly labeled for better user experience. Consider adding customer testimonials or reviews to build trust. Once you are satisfied, save your changes and publish them. Take some time to explore analytics to see how users interact with your new design. Regularly gather feedback from your customers to make necessary adjustments.
Stay updated with design trends to keep your store appealing and modern. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.